Sterling.
Yeah, we need one more. LT1 Ryan.
LT1 Ryan over there.
Where Ryan? Ryan, you scared?
Hey, what you gonna do, man?
It's not down in yet. I literally had it for 2 days.
Ain't but $100. Look, 20, 40, 60, 80.
I got 22.
What's the point of racing if it's not ready to race?
Yeah, and I gotta
That's
lose
stupidity.
$100.
Ain't but $20.
And then if it breaks the first pass, then what?
Then you lost.
Exactly.
What if you win everything and win
That's a what if though?
$800?
That's always a what if.
You win $800 and you ain't even think you was gonna win $800. Then you don't gotta go to work tomorrow. You know what I'm saying?
I'm still going to work tomorrow.
You don't gotta. You can go if you want, but you ain't gotta. You see what I'm saying?
I'll put 20 up.
Who, Shane? I'm
My
just
little brother. We got ties with him.
Who?
Just throw up 20. Fuck it.
I got 14 pound of crawfish for you.
give it up.
It's in the back of my truck right there.
Give it up.
That's for you.
Give it up. Set it right here.
I want you to use that now. Take that back to your house.
What about
Can't do that.
the other shit?
Tim, Plaid, we can say you get in.
You know that, right?
BMW, but you might get scared now. Yeah.
Well, why we don't just put everybody together?
That's what I say, but no.
Put all them bitches together. You gonna be in both of them, so what it matter?
I ain't about to raise no glass. I mean, ain't about to raise no
Exactly.
glass. The glass gonna be the fuck out of everybody.
Who's playing?
Tesla.
I like to see him in that white truck.
Well, they can do that.
You got fuck that truck.
Yeah, they can drive.
I like to see him in that white
Oh,
truck.
you must have
I told him
redid it
that
some more. You
I
must
don't
have
know
redid
what
it
the
some
fuck
more.
he redid. You hear what I said? You know
I
I
ain't
don't
saw
talk
it
no
in a
shit.
long time.
You know I don't talk no shit. I
I
like
know
to
a
see him in that
Tesla
fucking
hard to
white
beat.
truck.
I know a Tesla
So if
hard
I
to
say
beat.
that, what that means?
They need a race.
All right, well, look.
Damn.
It's
That
right.
Man, LT1 Ryan gotta get that Tesla. He gotta go home.
Only one I saw beat the Tesla was Gary.
Good.
Tell you what,
Hey, but listen,
you
go over
gonna
there.
catch
Go over
trouble
there
with
and
that
talk to
white
LT1
truck.
Ryan. We need one car.
You gonna catch trouble with that white truck.
Yeah, it's over with. He
He
ain't doing
said
it.
his
I
car
said I'll
might
give him
break and
$20.
all this
Who
stuff.
might break?
LT1 Ryan. He said, I understand. He said he just got it together and all that stuff.
What's the list, Champagne?
6.
That's 6?
Well, 7 with him.
No, because which call him brother gonna be in it? Jody brother.
I counted him.
Kel, Ricky, Red Wells, Shane, Rio,
And that Mustang over there.
Sterling. All right, Sterling.
Third.
7.
They want Stain still.
So that's 8.
That's Snoop.
That's Stu. So that's 8.
Yeah. What
All
the
right.
06? You got 8 already?
Where Willie? Go tell
I see
Willie.
William again.
Go tell him. He gonna be in it.
Your brother getting there? Oh, that is.
I told you that.
Oh, I thought you meant Shane.
No.
All right, that's it.
So we don't need no Willie.
Well, I don't need William.
So that'll be a buy.
All right. Go ahead. Who got one?
Uno.
You're funny.
No, it ain't good.
He might spin. Who got KL in the left? Who else got 2? 2 in the right. Who got 3?
Who got 2?
3.
2. That Berg in the Mustang.
3 left.
Berg in the Mustang.
Get enough?
Berg in the left. Red Wheels. Who got a 4? You got
Your car?
Shane in the right. Shane in the right, yeah. Who else had a 4?
Ain't number one left.
Leo? Oh, Leo, yeah. Come on.
It's 4 now?
He got the weave, the hair on it.
That's number 4?
Yeah.
Damn, who I'm racing?
Shane. That's the finals from last time. So we get to see for real now. See what happened out the back. Yeah, this back door ain't
Yeah, this
it?
back door.
Yeah, what y'all want? What style y'all want?
Get your rules together, PJ.
This
No,
my
all
rule.
jokes aside,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you was at the track this week, what happened?
The track key.
No, for
Listen.
real. They said once I flag, like once they locked you in,
You
once I
can't
locked
move,
you,
yeah.
you can't move.
Listen, let me tell you this. The only reason all that happened because it was the finals, and I wanted to see who was the fastest nigga out there, not who almost was the fastest. That's the only reason. If it was a grudge race or the first round or anything, it'd be different.
Listen, you could have paid the nigga out because he jumped and still let him race. You know what I'm saying?
But they wasn't gonna race.
How?
You want to race for money, you don't want to race for
How y'all
pride.
want flag, man?
How y'all want it this
No,
time?
that's something you do need to stipulate.
Nobody in the window.
Street outlaw style, I guess.
Street outlaw style.
Not street outlaw
That's
style.
what y'all
No,
want.
not street outlaw style.
Motorbike style.
Motorbike style.
Or regular. So y'all want motorbike style.
Flash the light.
Wait,
All right.
motorbike is in the window.
Somebody,
Everybody don't want that.
What you want?
It's your shootout. I say you need
that's
one.
two window.
I need one.
What you want, Shane? Don't matter. What you
Oh,
want,
look,
red wheel?
Look how to make it even. Just
He don't care.
Do what you did.
He
Just
don't
stand there,
matter.
be ready. Just stand
Well,
there, be
nigga in
ready.
your window. So that's two no windows and two yeah windows and two don't give a fuck. So no windows. He want regular
All
style.
right, listen,
That's what I'm saying. Make it
Listen, hold on,
even.
listen. When you hit a bitch stall up, back up like you did last time and hit that bitch. Like,
Yeah, that's it.
I bet when you hear him
Y'all
stall
want to
up
do that?
randomly.
Stall up, you hit that. Nobody in your window.
Y'all want to do that?
Yeah, that's cool.
It's the green. They call it. It's the VJs. It's the VJs.
All I'ma do, I'ma line him up, line you up, and I'ma walk back. I'ma just chill like this till I think y'all ready. When you on your trans brake or when I think you on your converter and he on his, I'ma cut that bitch on. So you want me to do that?
Ain't nobody in the window. None of that shit.
All right. So don't say I wasn't ready, cause if you see me standing back there, you should be already ready.
And you better not move. You move.
And
your
don't
red light.
move, yeah, unless it's the final. But I ain't gonna do
Yeah,
it.
I can take it.
Just don't move.
Somebody
till you
check
see
it
the light.
on black ass.
Get in a daily driver with them, but not the motor.
Get in OG dead, like power at it, or you know,
But you got,
like Sunny and all.
he said he can do an overdrive,
Yeah, like Sunny and all.
but not the OG daily. You can get an OG daily and daily.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't mind racing against all-out race cars once in a while, but
You won't be with the regular car.
let me race something.
When
Right.
they have one with like
Now,
PL car
me,
and Sunny,
I can only get
all them, you could be in there.
I mean, just because somebody shits fast don't mean they fucking should be able to run. Like if it was an all-motor shootout with overdrive, and they just happen to have a fucking badass all-motor
Yeah, that's
fucking
on them.
overdrive car.
That's
Well,
on them. Yeah.
you know, fuck.
But you can't really say.
I'm
this
just
bitch
saying they got
all-motor
all-motor
because-
cars though, right? That with overdrive that run fucking low nines.
Maybe. We don't know. Don't nobody say what they
some world
run.
record
Nobody say what they run. And
Watch
then
that
it's the-
truck, watch that truck.
Then it's the street, so we don't know what nobody run. You know what I'm
Is he ready or is he still dumping ice in the pool?
He gonna go first, huh?
saying? He ready? Yeah. Look like he ready. You ready, Tim?
Tim, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, pull up. What lane y'all getting on? It don't matter.
It don't matter your lane.
Yeah, I don't know this road.
Two all-wheel
All right,
drives. It
just
don't
get in
matter.
the lane. I guess.
Man,
Right lane, I think. Right lane, yo.
I mean, he pressed it, but that bitch ain't go. I saw him.
left
press
late the
it.
last time. That motherfucker
That
run
bitch
good,
ain't go,
dog.
though.
That bitch run good. You motherfucker right, that bitch run good, dog.
If he round
I
that
gotta
Tesla
give his
somewhere,
prop, though. That motherfucker run good,
He
dog.
anywhere around that Tesla, he
That bitch run good, dog.
that Tesla reacts so quick.
Yeah.
Tesla
He
react
slept
right
a
away.
little bit, he slept.
He hit it, but it, you know the motor got a
He didn't
converter.
come
and
up
all
on
that.
it, though. You notice he just sit there regular? He
Yeah,
didn't
but
come up.
because he probably ain't want to blow the tires. Pause, so.
White Lightning added his best. Oh, his name's White Lightning.
No. White lightning is a fool.
Hey, Lightning's
Lightning is
electric.
A lightning is that one. Yeah, you was on his ass. But that bitch run, huh? Yeah. You was catching him or y'all was stuck?
No, it was 1-1. I mean, I couldn't
See, your shit ain't react. Like I saw you hit the gas, but it ain't react right away. It waited and then it went. And he was already gone. Dang.
Yeah.
This Jody partner right here? Yeah. That's right. Right, okay.
First time racing. Well, now you got it.
Left lane.
He went around him.
He got off.
Look at it.
That ain't a cross, huh?
No,
Bro,
you
he
got
got off.
across
Bro,
all
his car
this.
turned off.
No, he got off the car. He got off the gas.
He thought he was going 8. He thought he was going 8.
quad. No, he knew he was going quad. It looked like right. He knew he was going quad.
Marty, that's why you supposed to be out here, bro. Fucking Marty, bro.
I told him he was.
We can look at your. We can look at your camera,
Look like Mustang.
so we can look at it right quick.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, they got the drone. You
Oh,
know
he got the drone.
D left for the win.
You was at the quarter, the drone.
I took it from the back.
Oh, we ain't gonna be able to see it. No. We trying to see if he let off before the quarter. He let off, but I don't know if he made it. No, it's quarter though. It's not 8. You ain't gonna be able to see it way down there. You ain't gonna be able to see way down there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you might.
What happened?
No, because the back of that bitch was lit up the whole.
Yeah, man, the dude got out the car and got back in there when he saw it coming.
We gonna look at
I
Fonzo's
hope that
video.
Mustang.
We gonna look at
Boy,
Fonzo's.
BJ about to. BJ about to. Hey, you won?
He said he come wrong. He said he didn't catch him.
You ain't catch him?
He was out too
Hold on, let him get the camera. Excuse me. Hold on. Keep on going. A white 6 right there.
Yeah. I didn't know you had no. I told him. I didn't know you had no. Oh, they gonna run it back? Just wait, yeah. Just wait right here. Just wait right here. He coming, he wasn't ready, but he wasn't here. You gonna cool up? You got cool off and all that? Yeah. Just go let it cool off a little bit, man. All right. What out? Yeah. All right. I wasn't here for the job. You got to cool off? Yeah.
All right, somebody explain it to the camera. You explain it, Jody. He got it. He get it. Just low, Mario. How much you low, bro? Just low.
Who was the last person running? Leo.
What you got, boy?
Who got a one? Who got a one?
Here we go. Here we go.
Ricky, get him out the way.
All right, yeah, Ricky.
I want that to be the final.
Why you want no black shirt? Black shirt. You gonna blend in.
It's nighttime and that bitch still soaking wet.
Bitch is hot. Bitch, you wetter than me.
I ain't, look at the fucking, you wet, you sweating the
How you wet
heart,
blackness?
bitch.
How you
Look
wet
at
blackness?
You sweating the heart. You can't even see the KL lip. The big ass fucking titties he got. So go put a fucking bra on, man. You disturbing the peace. I got him. You about to kill himself. You about to kill himself. You about to kill himself.
Get that man off of the bike. Y'all know he's a senior citizen, man. You don't put that man on a damn bike. What if somebody walked up and put your granddaddy on a bike right now?
Boy, I say he went to Miami and get his titties done. Hey, my shit regular. That nigga shit ain't regular, boy. My shit regular. That shit ain't regular.
Where he went?
He went to Miami. That bitch is done.
What he went to Miami for?
Yeah. What he went to Miami for? Get that bitch is done, boy. What he got done? See this? That boy said this.
That boy said titties.
That bitch ain't regular, man.
Come on, Rick A.
Champagne got them Dr. Miami titties.
That boy said titties.
And he said it. He started it, son. Fuck.
Black leprechaun.
Fuck you, Fonzo. We ain't gonna stop.
Hey, y'all leave Ricky alone.
Gangsta. Fucking gangsta.
Leave Ricky alone, y'all.
You went against the grain just now. You told me don't go against the grain, and you went against the fucking grain, cuz. Fuck that damn fool.
I want you to move your car so they can get out. Zone at the motherfucking 60.
Step on a nigga in some all white ones, nigga. Yeah, step on a nigga in some all white ones, nigga. Yeah, KLM.
I got that other truck on the left. That truck on the left too. Hold on, Leo, hold on. All right.